How to make four columns in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here we are. Let me take one blank file here. Okay, so manage the margin like this. If you don't show this ruler margin, you can go here and make sure this ruler show the option is enabled. Okay, so now if you want to make the four column in Google Docs page, we can use the table options. Go to the insert, go to the table, and you will see the visuals. So now take the four columns in row. Okay, you can take four columns and just hit the click. Now select that all, click within the table and just select all table like this. Now click bottom line and hold it, and now just drag to down. Okay, now you can tab your text within that column. Okay, now what you need to do, just click on within the table and go to the table options, go to the color, and here in table width we need to make it 0 pt. Okay, so now we have four columns without border and it is like columns. Okay, if you want to make visible this border, you can just come to the again at 1 pt, it will be visible. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.